Whoa!
Oh my god. That is just like a dramatic person.
Okay, go over there. Tell her we're outside.
Huh?
Tell her you're outside.
Okay, I'm gonna text her.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna call her and tell her
Okay.
to wait outside on the porch.
Okay.
But y'all need to film it so she gets fooled.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Do you want me to like follow you with the car? Or you want me to like wait a little bit?
You can park a couple houses behind and
Okay.
film it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm gonna call her right now.
Yeah.
She's getting free. Yes, we're down the street, but I need you to wait outside. So we'll lock the door because we're gonna pick you up. Okay. All right. Bye.
Go, Dad. Go,
She
Dad.
sounds like she's gonna believe. Let's get a little bit closer. Let's get. A little
Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay.
I'll yeah.
Let's
Okay.
go look at this black car right here. It looks like it's gonna get.
Alright.
Nobody's coming, right? Hey, boy, sit down. Get in your seat.
Look, I just want to be a cool kid, like a teenager.
Teenagers wear seatbelts. Everybody wears seatbelts.
I don't care because there's like Jeeps and like no things on here, like the roof, right? Then the teenagers like just.
That's the thing for you to put your seatbelt on. It's beeping.
Let's pretend like someone else. Stop! Stop! Mama. Hi, it's hi. Roll the window. Roll. Come on. Okay. Okay. Shh. Mom, put the camera right there.
Look.
How should we surprise her?
I love you. We're gonna go eat. Are you ready?
I have to go pee.
Oh my God. Here,
I rode that thing all the way over from Blue Star.
you liar.